Your AI coding assistant has amnesia. Every session starts from zero. It forgets your code base as soon as you close the window. Last time, I showed you how your AI is flying blind. Tonight, I will show you how to fix its memory. Depwire Cloud is a hosted code-based intelligent layer for AI coding agents. You connect a GitHub repository and it maps every file, every function, every connection in that code base into a deterministic graph. Claude, Cursor, or any MCP-compatible agent can query that graph at any time from any session. It's hosted on Cloudflare and it supports 11 languages. You sign in with GitHub, you select a repository, the system starts mapping it in the background. No Docker container to manage, no configuration file to edit. It just runs. First feature is the arc diagram. It shows every file, every connection, every cross reference in the code base. What you are looking at is not a generated visualization. It is a real call graph of a drizzle or a run. Every line connects a file that uses a function to the file that defines it. Hover over any node and it shows you the symbols inside it. Click it and you get the full context. If you change one file in this repository, you can now see exactly which files are at risk. Second feature is what if. You tell Depwire Cloud which file you are about to change and it simulates the blast radius. Red means broken. Faded means safe. The system calculated this from the real graph, not from a guess. In this simulation, changing one file in the SQLite core affects multiple files across the code base. Some are in the ORM core, some are in the test suite, some are in the driver adapters. Before you refactor, you know exactly what you are about to break. Alright, I want to show the feature that I'm most excited about, and I want to tell you why I built it. I kept having the same conversation with Claude every single day. I would explain my code base, it would answer one, and then the next day, I have to explain it again. I lost hours to amnesia. Then, I made a hosted endpoint that remembers. Watch this. I am asking Claude about Drizzle ORM again. But now Claude is connected to Depwire Cloud account. The graph lives in the cloud. Claude did not guess. Claude queried the graph, get a real answer. Same graph, same answer, every time. Close the session, open the session again, the memory is still there. That's a fix. One more angle. If you work on a team, this gets stronger. Your teammate opens the same URL. They see the same graph. No setup on their side. Their AI agent now has the same map as yours. When one engineer finds a risky path, the whole team sees it. No more works on my machine for AI context. Alright, straight honesty. Depwire CLI is free and open source. Depwire Cloud has a free tier and a pro tier. The free tier connects to one public repository. Full arc diagram, full graph, full MCP access. The pro tier is $19 a month. It unlocks private repositories, unlimited repositories, and the risk review pod for pull requests. The first 100 viewers from this video gets 50%. Link and code below. Here's the verdict. Local context is solved. Shared context was not. Depwire Cloud is a persistent memory layer for your AI coding agent. It does not write code for you. It does not review pull requests automatically. What it can do is that it gives your AI coding agent a real map of the code base that survives session restart, and travel across your team. If you work with AI every day, this is the missing layer. The link to Depwire Cloud is in the description. The CLI is free and open source. Drop a comment with the name of the repository that you want me to audit next. Upvote wins the next video. I will see you in the next one.